SpaceX has announced that it has set December 28 as a target date for the launch of the United States military's X-37B robotic spaceplane on its seventh mission into orbit. The Falcon Heavy is scheduled to carry USS F-52 into orbit from Florida, as stated in a SpaceX post on Friday. This date was chosen after a delay earlier in the week for additional system checks. Originally planned for a late Sunday launch, the mission was postponed due to adverse weather conditions at Cape Canaveral, Florida. This upcoming mission marks the seventh for the unmanned X-37B and its inaugural launch atop a Falcon Heavy, a configuration of 3 reusable rocket cores capable of lifting the vehicle to higher orbits than ever before. Resembling a miniature space shuttle and about the size of a small bus, the X-37B is designed for deploying various payloads and conducting technology experiments during extended orbital flights. Since 2010, the X-37B has completed 6 previous missions, with its last flight lasting well over 2 years before returning in November 2022. The Pentagon has not disclosed the intended orbital altitude for this mission, also referred to as the Orbital Test Vehicle. However, the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office mentioned in a press statement last month that the mission would include tests of new orbital regimes and experiments with future space domain awareness technologies. In addition to national security payloads, the X-37B carried a NASA experiment to investigate the effects of long-term exposure to radiation in space on plant seeds. The duration of the spaceplane's latest mission has not been disclosed by the military, but it is expected to remain in orbit until at least June 2026, based on previous trends of successively longer flights. General B. Chance Saltzman, now Chief of Space Organizations in the Space Force, suggested in 2020 that the X-37B might be nearing its final mission, considering it as technology that has served its purpose. The upcoming X-37B flight will mark the third time it is used by the US government to transport a national security payload into orbit.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.